Okay, now you gotta keep going. Those both hit. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, he's going down.
Nice shooting, boys!
I can't believe that.
Unfucking believable.
Oh, I can't believe that.
He's done.
Yeah, fucking shoot him again. Quick.
Did I hit him?
You hit him twice. Holy fuck. Good thing I looked behind me. He was right fucking beside us. That's right where we were.
Keep going.
Oh.
Another fucking trophy.
Oh.
Again. Again.
Where's he at?
That hit. Get him, keep fucking shooting. Again. Keep fucking going. Okay, just wait till he turns. He's facing us.
I'll shoot at his head.
If he turns his head a lot to one side, you can shoot him in the neck. But wait, make sure his head's totally out of the way. Can you go around to that stump? Go to that stump and see if you can get... No, on the outside, that turned up one. To your right. Over there.
This one?
No, look at me. Over there. Okay, he's open. Get over there, quickly. Remember, on the shoulder. On the shoulder. Take him. Again, keep going. Again. I think, keep going. I think you just bagged yourself a fucking wall hanger.
Oh my. Holy fuck.
Holy shit.